I added a sailing kit and a electric motor to my inflatable dinghy. Of course, the trick is to keep all the modifications lightweight, and so you don't impede your rowing and stuff. I added a homemade rudder on the bottom of my electric motor, so when you're sailing, you raise the motor out of the water to reduce drag. And I have a tiller extender handle, and you can lock the motor in place, and so it's like autopilot. You can fish with both hands and just lock it down. I have shark's teeth. These are little things that help keep it on course, like a sideboard. And with the holes between them, it makes it easy to turn versus a straight running board. Although I do have sideboards also, with the sail kit. And I've reached five knots with my 200-pound buddy in there on the GPS handheld radio that I have. That's pretty good speed for just sailing in an inflatable dinghy. I have the Seahawk and the Mariner with the hard bottom. And this is the Seahawk, I believe. Well, here we are, back on autopilot, and there's our little bubbles. Got the mast, the sail tied off. Just have the tiller locked down right here. Just stiff, you can turn it, but it's stiff enough where it doesn't turn on its own. And have that rudder that I built on the bottom of the Minn Kota motor, because it dawned on me with the handle and this extension handle especially, I have a tiller. So if I do need power, I just turn it, and right now it's on 0, but I just turn it on and I get a little extra boost of power. So, and here's the Minn Kota battery box. That's a handy thing. Here's that little GPS VHF radio. I don't know if you can see it, but we're doing 2 knots and there's barely any wind. You can see our little flag not even moving. Little sail. But the bubbles are cruising by at 2 knots. Good trolling for speed for fishing. But this Minn Kota battery box, it has 2 cigarette lighter plugs, has 2 circuit breakers, it has a battery test gauge. We're up full. And you can hook your motor up on the outside here. And the battery's inside. You don't have to open it to charge it or do anything. And of course I recommend tying everything in the boat. Even the motor is tied to the boat. Everything's tied to the boat. So this is a fun experience. And if you've never seen North Dakota, there's a grain elevator. It's a little lake. Let's see, there's some cows over here and little rivers. And if we go to Devil's Lake, that's 100 miles long. This is about a mile behind my house. It's just a little thing. I don't know if you can see the cows, but it's pretty nifty.